Hi everyone, welcome back to GeekYorker. I am Utpal Raj and today I will show you how to enable sound effects on X on your iPhone or Android device. So first up, open X app on your device. Now click on the profile icon at top left corner of the screen and then scroll down and click on settings and privacy. Here, scroll down again and click on accessibility, display and languages. And now click on display and sound, and here just turn on the toggle right to sound effects and sound effects in space. And after enabling, X will start playing sound effects again during scrolling and in-app actions. So if this video helped you in any way, make sure to like it, share it and subscribe to GeekYorker. Thanks for watching.